sir. There's a pencil. Gonna let him go. Cool. Yes, sir. Got him. Let's go. Look at that. There you go. He's got a belly full of something. Can't really tell. But let's go. Let him go. Caught this tiny one on my trail magnet. Kind of unexpected. There you go. It's tiny. Like I said, it's like a pencil. Gonna let him go. The tiniest pickerel in the world. Right here. That's wild.
Hey guys, rainy day. I was working a white swim dinger here, and I got a nice little pick.
Yep.
Not bad.
Working these shallow lay pads. Like what Dad said, it was a rainy day. Luckily the wind's not too bad, and we're over here catching them. Really fun. Got him. Catching all the tiny ones. Hey, can't complain. Just got this pickerel on my swim dinger. I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. Maybe I turned it off. I kind of forget. But that's no worries. Jeez, I gotta figure out how to get my hook out. Man. There you go. Jeez. Good fish. Gonna let him go. I got it on GoPro too. Thank you. And I get the net. Yeah, I saw him last minute come up for it.
Okay.
And then that's when I started doing the figure 8.
Yeah.
And then I got the net.
I'm gonna buy you a drink.
Thank you. That was cool. Let's go. Yeah, just caught a pickerel. Yep, he just caught a pickerel. He was fishing this little area, and it's pretty shallow. The rain started to come back down, and there's a bunch of lilies. So we decided to hit this little pocket. And Dad, what lure were we using?
Black Senko.
Yep, classic black Senko. Nothing special. Keep it plain and simple. And he couldn't help himself, and he got himself a fish. That's awesome. Cool. Guys, I just got back home. Me and my dad got our stuff put away for the most part. It's still coming down pretty hard, but luckily the wind is pretty non-existent. Me and my dad were just talking about how we would definitely prefer the rain over the wind nowadays, just because how steady the wind has been. It's just been so consistent, like 30-mile-per-hour gusts the past 3 months, it feels, with no breaks. And today feels like the actual true break. Even though there's rain, we're not gonna, let that give us an excuse to, not to fish. We're still gonna go after them. And we did. Like I mentioned, me and my dad were out in the kayaks at the pond, and we caught a bunch of pickerel. Had so much more action, guys. It's unreal. We should have caught a lot more than what we had, but hey, that's fishing. Again, we'll go back out there next time with the notes that we had today, and we'll try our best to catch them up. But like I said, me and my dad had a great day out there, caught some fish. We're gonna continue that, having a great day thing, and we're gonna go run some errands and just go enjoy our Saturday, really. I'm gonna take some time and edit the video and get to upload it to YouTube later on. So yeah, with that being said, please LSS, again, that's like, share, subscribe. And as always, guys, keep casting.